your response in securing this hard-fought win?
First of all, we would like to thank the Lord for giving us this win. No? Yun lang, every time naman, like what I said a while ago, yung sa'yo, na every time na every practice namin, tina-challenge ni Coach Bonnie, especially the second group. Because going to the playoffs, Arvin, Josh, and even Kadim, okay, pinaghahandaan na yan ng team. So that's why we need everybody to be involved. Not only in the defense, but also in offense. In the first half, siguro masyado kaming tight. At the same time, gusto namin kaagad na manalo in the first quarter pa lang. That's why, syempre, pinagandaan yan. Ganda rin ng depensa ng Magnolia. Okay, so, kumbaga, number 1 defensive team sila for this conference. So, aware naman kami dun. That's why, on the second half, we adjust. And at the same time, kung ano yung binigay ng Magnolia sa amin ng first half, yun din yung binigay namin sa kanila ng second half, which is what? Yung hustle, energy, at the same time yung pressure defense din namin going to the second half. Kaya nakahabol kami on the third quarter.
Thank you, Coach Renzi. William, the coaches challenged you to step up in the second half, and you really came through in the third quarter, plus that crucial rebound in the fourth. What do you think sparked that surge, and how were you able to stay locked in during such a pivotal part of the game?
Honestly, it's not even about me. Like, it's about the team effort. So, yeah, I'm just happy na everyone, like on the second half, like, we share the ball. So that's a key factor. And then, yung effort, everybody's effort, nakita sa court. So, yeah.
Tina, over the floor for questions from our friends from the press.
Coach, anong sasabi mo na your team survived yung late run ng Magnolia na parang does this prove na you're learning now to win games, close games?
Yes, no. Yun yan, lagi namin sinasabi na this team is ready to win and ready to play lahat ng challenge na ipagbibigay sa amin. Like what happened these crucial minutes, nag-stick lang kami as a team. The same time, yung mga leaders namin doon sa loob ng court is, yun nga, nag-take charge, especially Arvin, even foul out siya. Kasi kwento ko lang, during 2 days ago before this game, talagang nag-ipon sila, may players meeting sila na gusto talaga nilang kuhain on this day lang. Huwag na namin paabutin sa Saturday. So sila na rin, ginusto na lang din talaga nila manalo. Kaya yun nangyari sa amin this last minute.
Peter, pwede mo kong kwento yung players meeting kung anong napag-usapan ninyo doon?
Yeah, basically, ano lang naman yan. Like, things that we can do in order to win. Yun lang, na-discuss namin na we have to play hard. Siyempre, playoffs. We have to give it our all. Diba? Hindi na pwedeng tipirin yung effort. So, yeah, basically keys to winning this game.
Yeah, William, just how do you see your first semi-finals still either against Meralco or Villarreal?
I'm happy for the franchise, syempre. First time ba? Pero we still have more games. So, I mean, it's okay to be happy today, but the season's not over. So, we have to focus on the next game. We have to watch yung mananalo sa magiging kalaban namin. And then, celebrate for today, and then focus sa next game. Yeah.
Coach, of course, I know kakapanalo nyo lang, but how do you plan to manage yung long breaks kasi may gilas na matagal pa yung series? How do you plan to manage that?
Yes, no, siguro this win is a blessing for us talaga, no? Kasi right now we're just short-handed talaga eh. So during our practice na-injured pa si Dami plus si Sidney Olivera yung last game namin against Blackwater. So luckily we won this game. Then yun nga, may makakabalik sila, hopefully na makabalik sila ng maayos going to the semifinals. Yun lang, celebrate lang namin itong game na itong panalo namin. Then from there, we move forward. We see kung sino man yung makakaharap namin sa semifinals. We're just ready for whatever na challenges na may ibibigay sa amin.
Good question. May factor pala parang mas determined kayo since relatively younger squad kayo coming into the playoffs. Parang factor kayo ng age, parang may pinututulayan kayo coming to this playoffs.
Age, I don't know. Pero we have a chip on our shoulder na people don't even talk about Northport even we're number 1. So I mean, underdog kami, no matter what happens, di ba? So, we're not satisfied here. We want more.